Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today my video is about payroll management in by using Tally ERP system. So I have created an Excel sheet in which there are some details of salary which are present here with me. So I need to just input all these details into my Tally ERP system, and also I will create the vouchers for payment of the salary. So here you can see there are two departments, administration, and the second department is medical staff working under ABCD hospital. So I need to input all these details into my Tally ERP system, and we will see how it will work. So first of all, we have to go to our main Tally interface and gateway of Tally. And here I have created the company already, ABCD hospital. And in this company, first of all, we have to go in create. So when we will go into create, we will see different options which are enabled here: accounting masters, inventory masters, payroll masters, and statutory details. So we have to deal with this payroll masters section. So first of all, we have to create the employee group. So we will open this. As we can see in the Excel sheet that there are basically two groups we can create in our Tally ERP system: administration group and medical staff group. So I will go back to my Tally, and here I will create the group administration under the primary. It is the primary group. Define salary details, no, because I don't want to set any salary details to this group. I will do it personally with each employee. So here it will be no. When we will press enter, it will ask accept yes or no. We will press Y. The first group is created, and the second group, as we remembered, was medical staff. Medical staff, again it will come under the primary. Salary details, no, and accept yes. So here we have created the two required groups for now, and then we will go to the units. Secondly, employee, we will do it a bit later because it will need some detail from these sections. So first of all, we will have to deal with these sections. So units of works, we can deal with HRS hours, formal name hours, decimal numbers. Okay, we can create two decimal numbers if we require some time. Yes, okay. Then days. Okay, there is the formal name. We put a formal name and 0 decimal places this time. Accept yes. Okay, we are done with our this section. So we are done with units now. Now we have to deal with the pay heads. So for dealing with pay heads, basically we have to. So no. First we will deal with attendance production type. How our attendance will be derived. So we will go enter here. We will write working days. We will derive our attendance on basis attendance and payroll on the basis of working days. So okay, it will remain under the primary head. Attendance type, working days will be leave with pay. So these days will be base for calculating our payroll. So this will be leave with pay out of these four options. So we cannot do leave without pay, so we will do it leave with pay. Okay, yes. So this production type is okay for now. We can work with it. Then we need to create the pay heads. So pay heads are basically present in our this Excel sheet. You can see basic salary, house rent, traveling, conveyance. There are 4 pay heads. So we can also create these heads in our Tally ERP system. So first of all, we will create basic salary pay head. Okay. Earnings for employees. Okay. Income type will be fixed. It will be direct expenses, as we are dealing with some professional business hospital business, so it will be better to keep it under the direct expenses. We can keep it under indirect expenses on the policy the business or the hospital is following. So for now I am keeping it in under direct expenses. Affect net salary, yes. Name to be displayed in payslip basic salary, okay. Use of calculation of for the calculation of gratuity, yes, we can do it, yes. Calculation type as per user defined value or on attendance. We need to do it on attendance, okay. So as per our attendance, it will be calculated on the basis of our attendance basic salary. So it will be on attendance, and attendance leave with pay, it will be working days. That remember that we have created the list of attendance, it was working day. So working days calculation period will be for months, as we are paying salary on the monthly basis, and basis of calculation per day it will be calendar period, okay. So rounding method, okay, not applicable here. Opening balance we don't have, then we will just click yes. So our one head is created, the basic salary. The second head was house rent allowance, okay. Again it will all the details will remain same for house rent, ASA on attendance, okay. Working days, on the basis of working days, calculation for the monthly base, and as per calendar period, okay. Rounding method not applicable, right? Okay, then yes, we have created our two heads, the basic salary head and house rent alongside. Traveling and conveyance is still we need to enter. So here traveling allowance, for instance, again all the details will remain same for this, depend on the policy and the rules followed by company or in a specific country. It will affect net salary definitely. Traveling allowance, okay, use for calculation of gratuity, yes, we can do it, yes. And on attendance, yes, we will do it. Attendance will be the base of calculating traveling allowance, okay. And attendance leave with pay will be on the basis of our working days, and it will be calculated on monthly basis as well, and as per calendar period basis of calculation, okay. And control A you can alternatively press for saving this also. Then the conveyance allows our last salary head, okay. Again all the details will remain same. We will do use of calculation of yes. Calculation type as per on attendance, okay. Working days, attendance leave with pay. Calculation period will be for again months, okay. And basis of calculation per day is per calendar period, okay. Rounding of information not applicable. Opening balance is not available, so control A, the information will be saved. So all the four heads now are created. You will press escape and you will move out of this. So pay heads are created here, okay. And now we will go to enter the employee details one by one. So we will be doing continue this in our next coming lecture. For now, take care, goodbye.